How do you add this same video to TouchCMA? Well, it's quite simple. Same steps are involved. You're going to go to YouTube on TouchCMA, start a new presentation or modify an existing one. I'm going to modify an existing one just to get you to the spot we need to go to. And all the magic happens under presentation. So under presentation, we're going to go and create a custom page. And we're going to make sure it's presentation slide. We're going to give it a name, and the custom page we're going to call it Tempe Market Video Playlists. Now, instead of having the icon on your InTouch site that looks like this, it's a little smaller, but it says source. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing and paste. Now, the one difference with your TouchCMA presentation versus your website is on your website you have a fixed size. So if I go back to Communities and Tempe, depending on the layout that you choose, you have a fixed size. That's why I did the 640 width on here. However, on your slideshow for TouchCMA, you can make that much bigger. Without getting into custom sizes, I would make sure that you choose and go ahead and copy that. And back in your TouchCMA presentation, go ahead and paste. Now, clicking source one more time, you're going to see a big frame here. The easiest way to do this again is on the computer and having multiple tabs open at once, so you can just click back and forth. We're going to go ahead and save all, and once we do that, it's going to be saved on the very bottom in a section called My Pages. We're going to go ahead and look for the Tempe Market Video and click the checkbox to include it in your reports. That will move it back up into selected and in the last position. So go ahead and save this document and click View Presentation. We're going to give that a second to load. The best thing to do every time that you add these playlists, go ahead and make a presentation profile so that you automatically pull these pages in each time you create a presentation. So I have one called Interactive Features, which have all my marketing playlists, all my videos, all my magazines, which I'll show you in the next module. If you want to overwrite an existing one, click Create and name it the same thing as we named it before. Click Save. If you would like to save over an existing profile, select the profile first, then go add any new pages that you want. So we'll go back down to our My Pages section, go to Tempe, and click Save. This will add any new interactive content. Now, with your interactive presentation open, go ahead and go to the page that you just created. Since I've already had this done, I will quickly zoom to the last page, which is our interactive presentation. Now, you'll see how this fits on the screen. We can make this larger, but for our sake, to keep it easy, we kept it at 1280, and go ahead and press play. As long as you have an internet connection, you will be able to play these videos for any client no matter where you are.